right, this is another help video for your 14.2 molarity worksheet. This is for problem number 6. So, in order to get 2.682 moles of reactant from a 16.7 molar solution, how many liters will you need? So this is still the same equation. We're just going to have to use a little bit of algebra to set it up. And so here we go. So, problem number, what was this one? Problem number 6 from the homework. Problem number 6. All right, here we go. So we're going to start with the molarity equation. The molarity of a solution is equal to its number of moles divided by the liters of solution. So let's plug in what we know. We know that this solution is 16.17 molar. All right. We know we want to get from it 2.682 moles, and we need to figure out how many liters of solution. So we're solving for a variable on the bottom of a fraction. All right. Now, as you know, when this occurs, I highly recommend you do a little bit of cross multiplication. All right. So, I'm using a new computer. I apologize if it's a bit messy. Let's go with this color. All right, cool. Okay, here we go. So let's do a little cross multiplication, all right? 16.17 times the volume in liters is equal to 2.682, all right? We want to get liters by itself, so I divide both sides by 16.7, or 0.17. All right, there we go. Cancels over here. And the volume of solution I will need is equal to 2.682 divided by 16.17. And I get that I will need 0.166 liters of solution. All right, there we go. 0.166 liters of solution. Let me plug that in and see if that's correct. Hey, I see that green. Yes, that is correct. So there you go. So in problem number 6, you need to set up an algebra equation, all right? Set up the molarity equation and then plug in what you know and solve for the unknown, all right? Good luck.